Hey, plant lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic on how to keep your plants thriving in dark apartments. We'll cover choosing the right plants for low light, the importance of plant rotation, and how to use grow lights effectively. Let's get started. Living in a dark apartment doesn't mean you can't enjoy indoor plants. Many plants thrive in low light conditions, making them perfect for your space. First, choose the right plants. Snake plant, ZZ plant, pothos, and peace lily all thrive in low light and require minimal maintenance. Rotate them every few weeks to ensure even growth. This helps your plants receive light evenly. Grow lights can be your best friend. Use LED lights to mimic natural sunlight, keeping them 6 to 12 inches above your plants. Set a timer for 12 to 16 hours to maintain a regular lighting schedule. Watering is crucial. Most low-light plants prefer their soil to dry out between waterings. Check the soil moisture before watering. Misting can increase humidity, but do it lightly to avoid mold. Clean the leaves regularly to remove dust and help the plant photosynthesize more efficiently. Fertilize every few months with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. Repot your plants every year or two to give the roots more room to grow. Prune to encourage new growth and maintain the shape of your plants. Regularly inspect for pests and use natural pest control methods like neem oil. Enjoy the process. Taking care of indoor plants can be a relaxing and rewarding hobby. Share your plant journey with others and join online plant communities for tips and support. Experiment with different plant arrangements to find what works best for your space. Use decorative pots to add a personal touch to your plant display. Remember, the key to thriving plants in dark apartments is choosing the right plants, providing proper care, and enjoying the process. Happy planting!